Good morning, student. Today's chapter, that is chapter number 5, that is acid and bases and salts. And already I have discussed regarding acid. Already I have discussed what is acid and classification of acid and weak acid, strong acid. All those we have discussed, and what is acid also. Then also you have also already discussed their properties. But today's chapter, today's lesson will study about what is base. You have seen baking soda or baking soda that is used in kitchen. That is, does it taste sour? If you test, what it taste? It is taste like sour? No, it does not taste sour. It means that it has no acid in it. Any substance which tastes sour, that we can say it is acid. So those substances which do not taste sour, those substances are said to be it is not acid. So it is better in taste if you rub its solution between fingers. What you will observe? You will feel soapy. So substances like these things are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching are known as bases. What are the bases? If you take a soap, for example, you take a Lux, and you just apply on your body, what you will feel? You will feel soapy, and bubbles will come out. And if you test that soap, what kind of taste it gives? It gives bitter taste. So you can say the soap is a basic solution or basic substance. The nature of such substance is said to be basic. If you cannot test every substance, we cannot test every substance. Some substance may be poison, some substance may be harmful to our health. We cannot test every substance with the help of tongue or with the help of mouth. So what what is the other alternative method to test whether it is basic or acid? So there is a special type of substance which are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. These substances are known as indicators. What is called? It is called indicators. The indicators change their color when added to a solution containing acid or basic substance. Like for example, there are we'll study one by one what are the indicators. There are natural indicators or artificial indicators. So turmeric, litmus, china rose petals, these are the some of naturally occurring indicators. These indicators help us to identify whether the substance is acidic or basic. So next we will study. So here you will find in this table name of acids. Anti-acetic acid are known as vinegar, formic acid and sting, citric acid, citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, amla, lactic acid, curd, oxalic acid, spinach, ascorbic acid, amla, citrus fruit, oregano, tartaric acid, tamarind, grapes, unripened mangoes. These are the all above acids mentioned occur in nature. These are all found in nature. But what about this name of basis? Calcium hydroxide found where? Lime water. Ammonium hydroxide, window cleaner. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, soap. Magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia. These are all what? These are called bases. So to identify whether this substance is acidic or basic, we will have a one type of substance, that is special type of substance, that is called natural indicators or artificial indicators. Some of the natural indicators, so we can say a natural dye, that is litmus. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens. It has a mauve purple color in distilled water. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to a basic solution, it turns blue. This is very important, just understand. So when it is added to acidic solution, what it turns to red? This litmus, it turns to red. Red means danger. Danger means that is acid. Acid is very danger. So remember in that way. And when you add it to basic solution, it turns blue. So it is blue means indicating it is a safe. So it is called base. It is available in the form of solution or in the form of strip of paper. You can it is available in a solution in the liquid form in a solution, or it is available in a strip of paper. You can see the picture below this book. So when known as litmus paper, generally it is available as a red and a blue litmus paper. So you can see here in picture figure number 5.1, lichens and red and blue litmus paper. You can see in A, in option A it is lichen. In option B it is showing two papers, that is red and blue litmus paper. So this is how the indicators looks, litmus paper. So if you go for activity 5.1, it is said that mix some water with lemon juice. Lemon juice, it is acid or base? It is acid. So lemon juice in a plastic cup, tumbler or test tube Put a drop of our solution on a strip of red litmus paper with the help of dropper. Take a one litmus paper, and that litmus paper mix in, put one drop of lemon juice and mixed with water, and what happen? You just, with the help of dropper, you just put a drop of this mixture of lemon juice and water in a litmus paper. What you will observe? Is there any change in color? Repeat the same exercise with the blue litmus paper. Red litmus paper you take and just drop a drop of, put a drop of this lemon juice on a lemon juice which is mixed with water on a red litmus. Do you find any change in color? Yes, of course. This is a lemon juice is acid, so you can find a red litmus paper. There is no change in color. So what happened? Repeat the same exercise with the other blue litmus paper. If you put in blue litmus, it will convert into red. So we can say this blue litmus convert into red means it is saying that it is in acidic nature. The solution is acidic. So perform this activity with the following substance: tap water, take detergent solution. Aerated detergent solution means surf. For washing dresses you use detergent. Aerated drink means like soft drink, like beverages, like. So soft solution: shampoo, common salt solution, sugar solution, vinegar, baking soda solution, and milk of magnesia, you can say washing soda solution, lime water. So if possible, make solution in distilled water. Record your observation as a table 5.2. In your table, are there any substance on which litmus had no effect? We'll find certain substance which will not show which will not show either acid or basic nature, acidic or basic nature. It will not show. So such kind of substance are said to be what? We'll study. The solution which do not change their color of either red or blue litmus are known as neutral solution. What is that called? Neutral solution. These substances are neither acidic or basics. This one type of this natural dye is called indicator. That is known as litmus paper. That is extracted from what? Lichen. Which are available in two form. That is in solution form. Otherwise, it is in strip of paper. That is blue litmus paper or red litmus paper. That is the how these indicators are manufactured, and that is used to indicate whether the solution is acid or basic. Now next we'll study turmeric. Is another natural indicator. Turmeric you have seen in many we use for cooking food. Turmeric powder. So take a tablespoon of turmeric powder, add a little water, make it a paste. Make turmeric paper by depositing turmeric paste on bottling paper, filter paper, or drying it. Cut thin strip of the yellow paper often. Put a drop of soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper. What do you observe? So in table 5.2 you make list. Test solution. What solution you are taking? Effect of red litmus paper, effect of blue litmus paper, and inference. So you can find the similar test, the solution listed in 5.3, and note down your observation. You might try solution of other substance also. And another thing is that an indicator is China rose as indicator. China rose petals, and place them in a beaker. Add some warm water. Keep the mixture of some time till water becomes colored. So what I mean? Use the color water as an indicator. Add 5 drops of indicator to each of the solution given in the 5.4. Here what happen? You take a China rose petals. What happen? You take different test tube, about 3 to 4 test tube, and add water. In warm water you put this China rose petals, and they keep the mixture for some time. Then after time it will become colored. So use this color water as an indicator. This color water is used as an indicator. So what is the effect of the indicator on the acidic, basic, and neutral solution? China rose indicator turns acidic solution into dark pink. Remember this one. Underline this one. So China rose indicator turns acidic solution to dark pink. That is magenta. And another basic solution to green. Acidic to dark pink, basic to green. This is the indicators which convert which turn the color into different color. So those indicators, different indicators, give different color when you add in acidic or basic solution. So this is how China rose petals convert acidic solution into dark pink and basic solution into a green color. So from here we can repeat this solution. But what about the basic solution, or we can say acidic solution, which are very strong acid like nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid? These are very strong acid. We cannot you without the help of teacher we cannot do any our experiment. So it will be very dangerous for our skin, for our health. So the teacher is requested to get following dilute chemicals for his or her school laboratory for nearby school: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. These are all acid solution, which are very strong acid solution. So the dilute hydrochloric acid can be used. Effect on litmus paper: if you take a litmus paper, what is the effect? Already I have told. Effects on turmeric paper, what is the effect? Effects on china rose solution. Effect of turmeric paper, what is effect? You will find in by listing some name of the acids, and you can complete this 5.5 to 5.5. If you don't this all this table which are left over, you have to do by yourself. If you have any doubt, just ask me by sending messages. Got it now? So now we'll talk about little bit acid rain. You have heard about acid rain. Acid rain, you are familiar with the acid rain. Have you ever heard about damaging effects of acid rain? This acid rain is very it will affect the buildings, monuments, and also statues. So this will greatly affecting the um, constructing buildings. So why is it so? What is there in that solution, acid rain? What is there in the acid rain that is which will affect to the monuments or statues or buildings? As the name indicates, the rain containing excess of acid is called as acid rain. Where do this acid comes from? The rain becomes acidic because carbon dioxide, when what happen when factories, there's industries, they evolve in the surrounding the in atmosphere the poisonous gas, or you can say acidic solution, or you can say acidic vaporized acidic solution. These are exposed to air. So what happened in that mixture of that smoke, we can say, from factories, chimney, from through the chimney, there the poisonous gas, some acidic droplets of mixture also present, which are mixing in the air. What happened in mixing the air? This will combine with oxygen and form different acid, and it will mix in the water, in the rainwater. So what kind of carbon dioxide is one type of acids. Sulfuric dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, which are released into the air as pollutants, dissolved in rainwater, and does to form carbonic acid. These are the pollutants are known as carbon dioxide, sulfuric dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. These are pollutants which are dissolved in rainwater and dissolve and form a carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. These are all acid. As acid rain cause damage to buildings, historical monuments, plants, and animals. So these are very greatly affect to the environment. If you see, today's is this much. So we studied about natural indicators, that is litmus paper, we can say litmus, that is natural dye, we can say china rose petals, and turmeric. These are the three important natural indicators through which we can identify the difference between acid and bases, which solution is base, which solution is acid, by indicating with the help of their color. So today's chapter this much. We can study next we will study neutralization. What is neutralization? We'll see in next chapter. Thank you.